Check out this beast of a build, stretching 6 metres long by 2.4 metres wide, ready to serve in the remote construction industry. Let's take a look. The most obvious feature of this trailer is a triaxle upgrade. Not only can it give you an extra 1 tonne legal payload, but it also provides stability through gullies, washouts and rough terrain. It also has a greater braking capacity with electric brakes on all 6 wheels. On the front of the trailer, we have our 4.5 tonne standard upgrade. This includes the 7mm coupling to suit your 70mm ball. Situated in the A-frame, we have our standard Drawbar Toolbox, which features a top opening fully lockable door, which is fully sealed from the weather, and the storage capacity is a whopping 140 litres. On top of the tray, we have our heavy duty removable ladder racks, fully removable, and they also come with side fold up ears for extra load safety. This trailer is also equipped with loading ramps for machines up to 5 tonne. These ramps also come with pins to lock them in place while you're loading these machines. These ramps are stored perfectly in our integrated under tray ramp storage. This option includes our rubber bump stops and gates to lock them in during transit. Either side of the trailer, we have 2 rear-mounted adjustable stabiliser legs. These are used for stability when loading your machines. To complete this trailer, we have our 12-month Queensland registration package, so that means this trailer is ready to haul. As always, these features come standard on our overspec'd 4.5 tonne rated C-section chassis. This chassis is ADR compliant, FEA tested and fully engineered. That means that you can carry safer, go further and do more.